Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create trending couple eyes using PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my PicsArt application, and first of all, I'm going to add sticker to this video. We can go to the sticker menu, and then I'm just going to search for pink eye. Okay, and then actually you can search for the eye you want to apply to your photo. Here I'm just going to use for example this one guys. Okay, and then I'm going to make it smaller like this, and I'm going to bring it right here on the eyes, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, I'm just going to place it here. Just going to rotate it a little bit and make it smaller, and I'm going to blend it with the eyes. I'm going to select overlay. Okay, and I think I need to make it smaller again. Okay, and then I'm going to add sticker. Wait, I need to make it bigger a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the sticker and add the same sticker. I'm just going to make it smaller and rotate it a little bit, and I'm going to bring it here. Oops, sorry guys. Wait, I'm just going to rotate it. You guys, basically you just need to use sticker to create the couple eyes. Okay, I'm going to move it right here. Okay guys, make it smaller and move it here. Okay, and don't forget to blend it. We can go to the oops, sorry, we can go to the blend, and then I'm going to select overlay. Okay, and if you're still not satisfied, you can still adjust the eye to make it more natural. Okay, just going to make it bigger again. Okay, now it's done guys, and as you can see that the eye color has been changed, and you just need to do the same to the male on this photo. Okay guys, then that's all the way to create trending eye couple on PicsArt. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.